Hi guys, we just got off of a 26-hour travel day. I just finished up one. We got to the Golden Foyer, which is this hotel that's close to the airport we're staying at. I'm just going to give you guys a quick tour. This is a cheap hotel just to kill a couple hours until we get a flight tomorrow morning or in a few hours to Phuket. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick tour. This is a $40 room, so nothing fancy, but yeah. So we just came in, like I said. We're just trying to take a quick showers and head to bed. We have like 6 hours to sleep, then we're off again. Over here we got a little water, kettle, TV, little chair, nothing too fancy. Over here, I mean, right now it's about 3 in the morning almost, so you can't really see anything. Nice little sofa, decor. Nice little bed. They did a little swan for us. I think that's a swan. This hubby's getting ready to go shower. Let me give you a nice little 2-second washroom tour. Toilet. Nice little face sink over here. And if you come to this corner, you got a little shower and dryer, and literally that's it. Some storage over here, but nothing too fancy. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The mirror here, and yeah, that's that. So if anyone is looking for a cheap hotel just to kill a couple hours, this is a great option. Like I said, we just got here. It's like 3 in the morning. We're gonna check out around 10:30, 11, and go back to the Phuket airport. Is it, babe? Not Phuket.
Bangkok.
The Bangkok airport, sorry. And then grab a flight from there to Phuket and actually get our vacation started. Like I said, 26-hour travel day. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna shower and freaking sleep. So yeah, hope this helps. Oh, by the way, down there is a mini fridge. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and until next time,